The parking support brake malfunction warning in your Toyota indicates an issue with the parking support brake system, an ADAS feature that automatically applies brakes during low-speed maneuvers like parking. The PSB system uses sensors including cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors, all connected to the vehicle's electronic control unit. The warning can trigger due to various reasons, including sensor misalignment, wiring faults, brake fluid issues, or software glitches. Many issues are software related and can be resolved with over-the-air updates, especially in models from 2022 onwards. However, older vehicles might require a dealership visit. Ignoring the warning is not recommended, as it compromises the system's ability to prevent low-speed collisions. Community data suggests DIY resets are effective in 70% of cases. Start troubleshooting by attempting a system reset. Cycle the ignition key several times or use the Toyota TechStream tool to clear temporary errors. Next, inspect the sensors for physical damage or misalignment. Clean them carefully with isopropyl alcohol to remove dirt that might trigger false warnings. For newer models, check for over-the-air software updates through the Toyota Entune app or Toyota Connect. Most fixes, about 65%, are software-based, so keeping your system updated is key. If the issue persists, especially in older models, visit a dealership. They can use OBD2 scanners for advanced diagnostics and perform recalibration or hardware replacement if needed. Be cautious with aftermarket modifications, such as lifted suspensions. These can interfere with the parking support brake system and cause malfunctions. If DIY methods fail, always seek professional help to ensure the parking support brake system operates correctly for your safety.